So good morning to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about best paper trading platform that would be beneficial to beginners. So in this particular platform, you can do options trading, futures trading, intraday trading, and you can hold stocks for a certain period of time. That is each and everything that we do in our original accounts, that is Zerodha or Upstocks or any other brokerage, you can experiment in this particular platform also. It is 100% free, and how to register, sign up, each and everything I'll discuss in this particular video. So we know that whatever we are discussing in our new channel regarding options, intraday trading, swing trades, so ultimately we need to test those strategies, and also we need to have practice. But beginners cannot afford 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees to test option strategies, especially option selling, because anything which goes apart from our favor will enter into loss. So ultimately they will have bad impression, and also the confidence will reduce. So I felt that I need to share a platform which is 100% free, and all the beginners will learn something new and do paper trading. So that's why I'm sharing this particular platform. So what is the name and all, I'll discuss in the next few seconds. So your duty is to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so the platform that I was talking about for paper trading is NeoStocks. So how to register, how to sign up, how to trade, how to top up basically. So all these things I'll discuss. So what is top up means that how much funds you want to add into this dummy account. So how to do and all I'll discuss. So don't skip in between. I'm already telling that watch the video completely. So that time only you will understand each and every point very clearly. So first you need to go to Google, directly type NeoStocks. So once you type NeoStocks, you'll find one website called neostocks.com. Simply click on that particular website. So once you click on that particular website, so this sort of interface opens where you will see the India's most innovating trading platform for NSE to practice and trade like a real market. So I have also tested this particular website, and I can say that it is working same as it is like original platform like Zerodha, Upstocks, or whatever brokerage we use. So same platform, same interface, how the market fluctuates, volatility, everything is common in this particular platform. So beginners make use of it 100%. You will definitely understand how basically we trade in options, futures. So everything you will understand. So now comes how to register. Okay, so let's see that this is the basic interface, and you can see my trading panel, all these things. So let me log out first, so that I will understand. Okay, so after log outing, so you'll find their free sign up. So once you click on that settings bar, you'll find free sign up or register. So just you need to enter your email address, password, anything, you're up to your choice, and confirm the password, and you need to give your mobile number. So that is simple, very simple. So once you complete that particular process and click on sign up, so this particular interface opens. So similar to what we can say Upstocks, so it will be some sort of the same interface. So once you open that, you can see the trading chart also is visible, and you can see Bank Nifty is fluctuating, Nifty is fluctuating. So all the things that basically we observe, so that would be visible. And you can see little, if you go down, you can see profit and loss in active positions and profit and loss today, so that also would be visible. Okay, so very simple. So that's why I felt that everybody should enjoy this, and you'll have almost limit up to 1 crore. So whatever you want to test, whether it may be option selling, option buying, buying stocks for intraday using our technical analysis screeners, so all these things you can implement in this particular website. So let us take an example. Okay, so let us go to the search bar and type Bank Nifty. So once you type Bank Nifty, you'll get all the options, whether it may be futures, call options, put options. So everything will be visible. So how this has opened, just you need to click on this settings bar. Can you see here? Top right corner beside the NeoStocks application, you can see settings icon. Okay, so there you need to click. So once you click, so this particular search icon opens. So once you go to website, that would be very clear. So since I am explaining in mobile, so you may face little difficulty, but it is very simple as what we use in Zerodha and Upstocks. Okay, so once you go to the search box, just type in Bank Nifty. Okay, already told you. So Bank Nifty you type, so you'll get put option, call option. So let's say I want to do option selling, because that is very important for a beginner. So many people want to know how to sell option. So once you click on any strike price, let us say I'm taking any strike price. So after that, you need to see here two options are present. One is buy and another one is sell, another one is plus. So plus is basically to add it to your watch list, and buy is to buy the particular strike price, and S means to sell that particular strike price. Okay, so let us select any alternative strike price and let us sell it. Okay, so I have selected 32,000 call option, and I have selected to sell it, and you can see price is almost 6.20, and you can see here we have the sell option. So why am I selling this? So I'll discuss just for example, I'm taking this particular thing. You can see price is 6.20 and you can see strike price is 32,000 call option. So just you need to click on the sell option because we are doing option selling. So if you see settings also, you can see same, you have market order, limit order. You can also use stop loss, so that is a very good advantage. And also you can set the target price, let's say whatever the target you want to set, where you want to book the profit, so that also you can select. And you can see how many contracts you want to buy. So basically for Bank Nifty would be having 25 contracts, right? 25 is the lot size. So if you want how much ever you want, you can set the lot size. So let's say I am selecting 25 because that is the basic thing. So 25 contracts. So click on market sell of 25 contracts. So directly you can sell that particular option, and you can see ultimately it goes into active positions. So there, after refreshing, you will see what is the profit and loss. So after selling, you can see currently it is around minus 44 rupees. So that depends upon market. So like this, for demo purpose, I'm taking this particular trades. You can also do the same thing. So now coming to the major settings, like what is top up, how to check profit and loss, how to check the analytics, what is option builder. So all these things I'll try to cover. Okay, so once you go to the settings, basically on the top right corner, you will see settings bar. So once you click on that settings, you can see feedback, videos, you can even log out. You will see my profile, my subscription. So subscriptions not necessary now, I'll cover it later. And you can see index analyzer, options analyzer, dashboard. Basically you can check your day-to-day wise how much profit and loss you have earned. Trading panel would be present. You can clear the history, and options trader, equities analyzer. So all these things would be present. Equities analyzer, like which option builder strategy is nothing but if you want to test the strategies, basically like what is Ion Condor, what is Dragonfly. So all these particular strategies, straddles, triangle, what is those things, we'll cover in this video series. But for example purpose, if you want to test any strategy, you can go to option builders strategy, option analyzer as well. So now coming to most important thing, what is top up. Okay, so we know that at a fixed, if you're doing the first registration, so basically they'll give you 10 lakh rupees only, so not more than that. So if you want to increase your money and if you want to take it to 1 crore, just click on the top up button. Okay, so once you click on the top up button, so it will come reset your account. That is from 10 lakhs, you can reset it to maximum 1 crore rupees. So you can do that. So directly press 1 and keep on pressing 0000. Okay, after pressing that, you will see that 1 crore would be added to your trading account. Okay, so and you can test maximum strategies, whatever you want to do, whatever the screeners that you discuss, each and everything you can test in this particular platform. Isn't it interesting? So hope you're enjoying this particular video. So how to register on all already I've discussed. So link I'll provide in the description. So directly click on the link and start your practice session. So I would suggest that practice as much as you can. So on a regular basis, test how much profit you are getting doing options or futures. Consistency is important. I'm telling you, not the profit amount. So when you're generating consistent returns, that time you can increase your lot size and you can even maximize the profit. Okay, so without consistency, nothing is possible in stock market. So generate that, ultimately you would also be benefited. So this is the platform that I want to discuss. So not only options, whatever you want to do, buying Reliance Industries, Bajaj Finance, so directly go to the particular search bar and start. Okay, see in this particular search bar, so directly go there, whatever stock name, whatever call option, whatever put option you want to buy or sell, type there, and whatever actions, as I told you here, you can see buy, sell. So perform accordingly, enter the lot size, target price, stop loss, everything you can set. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss. That is a trading platform, since many were requesting to make a separate video, so that's why I'm discussing it. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So stay safe, learn with perfection. Until then, bye bye.